हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा सखा। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8th इंग्लिश की सप्लीमेंट्री बुक इट सो हैपेंड का लेसन फर्स्ट, जिसका नाम है हाउ द कैमल गॉट हिज हम्प। इस वीडियो में हम लेसन की समरी, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए पाठ की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम पाठ की समरी करेंगे। How the Camel Got His Hump is an imaginary story written by Rudyard Kipling. It is a fable about a lazy camel that would not work and simply said hump to everyone who asked him to do some work. The story is set in a time when the world just began and the animals had started working for human beings. The horse, the ox, and the dog would work all day, but the lazy camel never listened to them. Everyone worked except the lazy camel that lived in the middle of the howling desert. He just ate sticks, prickles, and thorns and didn't exhibit interest in working like others. Whenever anyone asked him to work, he would simply say, hump. One day morning, on Monday morning, a horse with a saddle on his back went to the camel. He asked the camel to join the rest of them at work, but the lazy animal said, hump. The horse informed the man. A little later, a dog visited the camel and asked him to do some work, but again the camel replied, hump. Later, an ox came and asked him to work. As usual, the camel replied, hump to the ox too. Soon, the man summoned the horse, the ox, and the dog. He asked them about their respective work and about the camel. They told him that the camel didn't do any work. After hearing their complaints about the lazy camel, the man distributed the camel's work among all three animals to compensate for his work. This agitated all three of them and made them furious, and they decided to hold a panchayat on the edge of the desert. Suddenly, the Djinn of all deserts arrived, rolling in a huge cloud of dust. All three animals complained about the camel to the Djinn. The horse told him that the camel was very lazy and he would only utter hump when asked. The Djinn assured that he would do something to set him right. The Djinn found the camel sitting in the desert where he was busy looking at his reflection in the pond. He asked the camel to do and go work, but he occasionally said hump. Just as he said so, the Djinn punished him, and a huge hump bulged out of the camel's back. The camel, who was very proud of his looks, now had a strange looking hump on his back. He was astonished to see his reflection in the water, and the Djinn explained to the camel that he was solely responsible for this transformation. The Djinn then asked the camel to work, but the latter replied that he couldn't work as he had a huge hump on his back. The Djinn started that as the camel didn't work for 3 days previously, he could now work with his hump for 3 days without drinking or eating. Thus, the camel started working like other animals. This is how the camel got his hump. अब करते हैं हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, What task do you think were assigned to the dog and the ox? इसका आंसर है The dog was assigned the task of fetching and carrying. The ox was made to pluck the fields. Question 2. Why did the camel live in the middle of the desert? इसका आंसर है The camel lived in the middle of the desert because it didn't want to work. Question 3. What made the dog, the horse and the ox very angry? इसका आंसर है The dog, the horse and the ox were angry because man, their master, told them to work double time to make up for the camel's idleness. Question 4. How did the Djinn know the horse was complaining against the camel? इसका आंसर है The Djinn was the master of deserts, so he was able to know easily who the animal with a long neck and long legs was. Question 1. The camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool. What does it suggest to you about the camel? इसका आंसर है This statement suggests that the camel loved its own image in the pool. Perhaps he considered himself handsome looking. Question 2. The camel's head hump rapidly. How did it affect him? इसका आंसर है The word hump annoyed the Djinn. He turned hump into the hump on the camel's back. Question 3. What, according to the Djinn, was the use of the hump? इसका आंसर है The camel's hump contained food material. It helped the desert animal go without any food for 3 days. Question 4. He has never yet learned to behave. In the lights of this, what is the writer's opinion about the camel? इसका आंसर है The writer is of the opinion that the camel has not changed its nature and habits to this day. Question 1. Why did early man domesticate a few animals? इसका आंसर है Early man domesticated animals for different purposes. They used them to carry heavy loads, draw carts and plough the fields. Question 2. Which animal is your opinion is man's best friend and most useful too? इसका आंसर है The dog is the man's best friend. It provides security and even draws the sledge on ice. It is known for its faithfulness. The horse and the elephants have also been very friendly to man. Question 3. Do you think the camel renders no service to man? इसका आंसर है The camel is rightly called the ship of the desert. It renders a variety of services to man. It is the chief means of transport across the desert. It ploughs the fields and gives milk and meat to its master. Question 4. Do you think hump on a camel's back has no use? इसका आंसर है The hump on a camel's back is an obstruction in riding, but it is very useful. It in fact arid foods. A camel can get its food from the hump for several days. Question 5. Who was Djinn? How did he set the camel right? इसका आंसर है Djinn was in charge of all deserts, so the horse, ox and the camel complained to him about the camel's laziness. The Djinn scolded the camel, gave a hump on its back and ordered it to serve man as did other animals. अब हम करेंगे इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 1. Camel lived in the howling desert because A. He loved the desert. B. He could eat thorns and pickles. C. He didn't want to work for man. D. He was hiding himself from other animals. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C. He didn't want to work for man. Question 2. The dog went to the camel. A. Barking. B. With a stick. C. Running. D. With a can of water. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन B. With a stick. Question 3. The ox asked the camel. A. To run away from the desert. B. To fetch and carry. C. To obey the man. D. To plough the fields. का आंसर है ऑप्शन D. To plough the fields. Question 4. Man called the horse, the dog and the ox together and asked them. Option A. To force the camel to work. B. To work double time. C. to go to the Dijan, option D, to hold panchayat. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, to work double time. Question 5. The camel, option A, laughed at the panchayat and said hump. B, didn't come to the panchayat. C, come the panchayat and begged pardon. D, threatened the members of the panchayat. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, laughed at the panchayat and said hump. Question 6. The Dijan come to the panchayat, option A, with a loud noise, option B, riding on a horse, option C, rolling in the dust, D, coming down from the sky above. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, rolling in the dust. Question 7. Who complained against the camel to the Dijan? Option A, the man, option B, the ox and the horse, option C, the dog and the ox, option D, the horse and the dog. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, the ox and the horse. Question 8. When the Dijan went to the camel, option A, the camel obeyed him at once, option B, asked him to go away, option C, the camel asked him why he had come, option D, the camel went on looking at his own reflection in the water. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, the camel went on looking at his own reflection in the water. Question 9. Why did the camel live in the middle of the desert? Option A, the camel lived in the desert because his parents lived there. B, the camel lived in desert because he loved the place. C, the camel lived in the desert because he worked there. D, the camel lived in the desert because he did not want to work. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, the camel lived in the desert because he did not want to work. Question 10. How did the Dijan know the horse was complained against the camel? Option A, the Dijan knew that the horse was complaining against the camel because he said that it has long legs and a long neck. Option B, the Dijan knew that the horse was complaining against the camel because he knew he disliked the camel. Option C, the Dijan knew that the horse was complaining against the camel because he always got complaints about the camel from others. D, the Dijan knew that the horse was complaining against the camel because the camel had already told him about the fight they had. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, the Dijan knew that the horse was complaining against the camel because he said that it had long legs and a long neck. Question 11. The camel said hump rapidly. How did it affect him? Option A, he did not have to work like others. Option B, all others became friends with him. Option C, his back suddenly grew a lump. Option D, he was asked to leave the desert. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, his back suddenly grew in a lump. तो यहाँ पे हमारी वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको लेसन 2 चिल्ड्रन एट वर्क करवाऊँगी. तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.